when your office needs that fresh professional shine. Call the team Nashville Businesses Trust, S.N.M. Cleaning Service. Early morning light through the office window, coffee brewing, papers on the floor. You got work to do, no time for the cleanup. That's what S&M is for. From boardrooms to hallways, desks to the break room, we make every corner look brand new. Serving Nashville and Middle Tennessee businesses with a team you can trust to come through. We'll make it shine, shine all night. Keep your workplace looking right. From the lobby floors to the conference room view, S&M Cleaning's there for you. Free estimates, walkthroughs too. Reliable service your whole team will love. In Nashville and Middle Tennessee, clean you can count on from a team above. General office cleaning, full janitorial care, dusting floors and spotless glass. Professional service 7 days